Hey y'all, it's Brittany again. Back again, back for the second time. I'm gonna try and do for this week the Memorial Week. So I'm going to go for a Patriot look, or like 4th of July look. I'm gonna start off with the Equate Beauty All Day Moisturizing Lotion, and it has SPF 15 in it. Again, the glare, and I'm not really sure if you can see it.
I'm just gonna take a little bit of it and rub it together and then just dot it all over my face.
Sorry, I have a window right there, and all I saw was cars just passing by, but it's like super slow and creepy. Alright, and then I'm gonna go back, or go in with Smashbox Photo Finish primer. I'm gonna do it backwards today, and I'm gonna do the foundation first and then the eyeshadow. I don't know why I kind of sidetracked and started backwards.
And then I believe this was it'll find the color in a minute. Maybe never. Okay, white sand. And I'm just gonna put that on the back of my hand and then go in with the
Beauty blender. I'm gonna take it on the back of my hand. Just gonna leave it off.
Now that looks super crazy.
Alright. Then I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Maybe from further back you can see it better. I literally just got a dot on my or the dots on my shirt. Reminds me of a butterfly a little bit, the wings right here, and then the horns, really, the antennas, and then like the back, the butt. Alright, and then I'm going to do the Revlon Photo Ready Fair Light.
Try and do the NYX highlight and contour.
I'm going to dip into, I guess this is toffee. I'm not trying to look for the color on the back. Alright, and whoa. The brush just flew out of the thing, out of the bag. Alright, and then I'm just gonna take the Ecos tool, and it doesn't actually say what it is, so I'm assuming I'm just gonna use it to blend. And today my brushes are not wet, so I'm hoping that this will go better.
I guess it's a little bit better, but it's not perfect. And wow, my ears are super red. Wow.
I'm going to do again the Derma setting powder. Alright, I'm going to let that sit while I do my eyes. Not my eyes.
Alright, I'm gonna do a mixture between the Kiss. It was like one of the eyeshadows that was on sale last year.
The brush fell out. Or give me a second. Okay, the little thing that comes with the kit fell out. Alright, and then like I said, I'm going to do a mixture between that and then just this big kit that I got for Christmas.
Don't think I made a difference.
Alright, I'm gonna go in with the red again, but this time I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray to see if I can get it just a little bit redder. I want everything to pop.
Alright, I'm gonna pick up the color. Alright, I'm gonna pick up the color and then spray the brush.
Well, that definitely brought the color out, so I'm gonna do that again. Alright, I guess it looks a little bit even-ish, maybe? I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna take the Shape Tape and take the flatter side of the brush and then go do a cut crease look. Get on the brush. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with the white really quick so that way it doesn't dry too bad. I'm gonna spray the little thing to get it more pigmented. Okie dokie, now that you look completely weird. Alright, I'm actually gonna go into the crease and then come out with the glitter color. And then this is Sally Girl Sparkle Effects. It's 99 cents at Sally Beauty. Just the loose glitter. And you can't see it. Awesome. No. Still can't see it. Okay, well. And then I'm just going to take a lash glue by Duo. I saw a girl do this, and so I'm going to try this and see if it sticks the glitter on there better. So I'm going to try this.
Alright, so when I do it, I'm just going to take an angled brush, put the lash glue on, and then pat the glitter as fast as I can. So.
It's not doing bad. It's actually working. Glitter's falling all over my face, but I'm probably still gonna go just a little bit further down. I'm like, I don't know where to stop. Trying to think what it would look like with the black under, but oh well. You'll never know if you don't try, so. Okay, so I guess, I'm not really sure. Definitely looks crazy. The multi-shade ones and just everything falling.
Okay, and then I'm gonna start off with the lighter color blue and then kind of just like skip around like I did last time.
I just now see my shirt. It's so full of glitter. And I look like a popsicle. Alright, gonna go with the top one, and that's the darkest blue. And then with the blue, but except for the differences, I'll pick up the color and then spritz the brush. Got a close mirror. Of course, I get the other mirror dirty. Wow, there's so much fallout between these palettes. Alright, I don't know if you can see, but it actually looks like a metallic after spraying it, so it's kind of cool. Yeah, when you look like a popsicle.
Alright, I'm just gonna go with that flat little, I don't remember these things, and just go on top of the white just to encourage it to be white. Because I want it as pigmented as I can get. Again, I'm going for like really, really poppy, so. Somebody's here.
Okay, so I finished the look off camera because some people had interrupted me that are still here. They will watch this video later and see it. But, okay, so this is pretty much it, and it is crazy. Sorry if I'm too close, but it's definitely crazy. But here you go. Alright, thank y'all for watching again, and hopefully stay tuned for more. Alright, thank y'all.